How to download Stan on a device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To download Stan on a device, open Google Play Store or App Store. Here, as I am using Android device, I will open Google Play Store. So simply open it. Now here on bottom of your screen you can see different navigation options. So tap on this search icon. Now on top of your screen you can see this search box. So tap on it. Now simply type Stan and then search for it. Now here on top of your screen you will find Stan. So simply tap on it. Now tap on install. And within few minutes Stan app will be successfully downloaded on your device. So simply wait for few minutes. And here you can see I have successfully downloaded Stan. So now tap on open. So this is how you download and install Stan app on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.